So there is this TK window after function or after method in which you can execute a function after a certain delay. So you specify the amount of milliseconds to wait before launching a function or before executing the function, the name of the function, and the arguments, if there are any, of that function. So I defined a simple function, change color, that will call configure and change the background color with the color provided as a parameter. When I will run the code, it will change the color after 2 seconds to red. If I write, for example, pink, it will change the color to pink. You can use the after function with the lambda function. You can also use it with the define function, like for example, configure itself. I'm going to call it with main window dot configure. But since configure will take as parameters keys, the name of the parameter and the parameter, so I'm going to use a dictionary with the key, for example, background, because I want to change the background color, and I will give it the value, for example, aqua. So after 2 seconds of launching the window will have the aqua color. If you want, for example, to have this changing color or the call of after in a loop, you can use a thread. For example, I defined this function, or I asked Copilot to define this function, but I added modification to that function. So the start color threads using the threading module. I have this list of colors, the index starting at 0, lapse of time, and each time you get the index of a color, I call after that amount of lapse, then change the color like here, and then here I'm incrementing the lapse, then call thread with the target as the color cycle function and the daemon as tool, then call start. So when I call start color, I'm going to comment out the first function. You can see that it will change the background color of this function each 2 seconds. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.